Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately, the ways in which growth can ruin your tech-life balance and, most importantly, how to fix it. First off, let's talk about how constantly striving for growth in your career can lead to neglecting your personal life. It's important to set boundaries and prioritize self-care to prevent burnout. Next, let's address the impact of growth on your relationships. Spending too much time working can strain your connections with friends and family. Make sure to schedule quality time with loved ones to maintain those bonds. In conclusion, it's crucial to find a balance between personal growth and maintaining a healthy tech-life balance. Remember to take breaks, set boundaries, and prioritize self-care to prevent burnout and nurture your relationships. Remember, growth is important, but so is taking care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey everyone, it's important to make sure we're keeping ourselves safe online. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to improve your online security. First, make sure your passwords are strong and unique. Avoid using passwords like password 123, and instead opt for a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code in addition to your password to log in. Remember to keep your software up to date to protect against any vulnerabilities. Also, be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. By following these simple steps, you can greatly improve your online security and protect yourself from potential threats. Stay safe out there.
Hey there, fellow multitaskers. Have you ever found yourself juggling between different devices and tasks, struggling to stay organized and productive? Well, fret not, because today I'm here to share some game-changing productivity hacks to help you maximize device multitasking. First off, try utilizing virtual desktops on your computer. By creating separate desktops for different tasks or projects, you can easily switch between them without cluttering your screen. This way, you can stay focused and organized, boosting your efficiency. Next, take advantage of split-screen multitasking on your devices. Whether it's your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, split-screen mode allows you to view and work on multiple apps simultaneously. This can be a game changer when you need to reference information from one app while working on another. So there you have it, some simple yet effective hacks to help you conquer device multitasking like a pro. Remember, staying organized and maximizing your productivity is all about finding what works best for you. Keep experimenting and find the perfect balance that suits your workflow. Happy multitasking, everyone! Uplifting ending sentence, stay productive and keep crushing those tasks.
Hey there, it's important to feel safe and secure while browsing the internet. In this short video, I'll be sharing some top privacy tools that can help boost your confidence online. First up, invest in a reliable VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your internet connection and keep your online activities private from prying eyes. With a VPN, you can browse the web anonymously and access geo-restricted content without compromising your privacy. Next, consider using a password manager to securely store all your login credentials and generate complex, unique passwords for each of your accounts. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your personal information and keep your online accounts safe from hackers. By incorporating these privacy tools into your online routine, you can navigate the digital world with confidence and peace of mind. Remember, Taking control of your online privacy is essential for protecting your sensitive information and maintaining your online security. Uplifting ending sentence: stay safe, stay secure, and stay confident online. Personal computer lock # privacy matters.
Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about maximizing life with automation, the key to growth. In a world where time is precious and resources are limited, automation can be a game changer in helping us achieve our goals and reach our full potential. One of the main benefits of automation is that it allows us to streamline our tasks and processes, freeing up valuable time that can be better spent on more important activities. From simple tasks like setting reminders and organizing emails to more complex operations like data analysis and report generation, automation can help us work smarter, not harder. Another key advantage of automation is its ability to improve efficiency and accuracy. By eliminating human error and reducing the need for manual intervention, automation can help us achieve better results in less time, ultimately leading to increased